Good afternoon, students. See, what is this? This is a ball. So students, all of you play with ball. So today we will also do something with ball. So students, let's play a game. So according to game, you have to give answer. And my question is, where is ball? It means you have to tell me where is ball. So students, here you can see a box. Can you see? Yes. And I have a ball. So students, now you will tell me that where is ball? Where is ball? Yes, very good. The ball is in the box. Where is ball? The ball is in the box. So students, now where is ball? Yes, the ball is on the box. Where is ball? The ball is on the box. So students, have you noticed one thing? For telling the position of the ball, we are using here two words, on and in. Because when ball is inside the box, we are using the ball is in the box. And when ball is on the surface, we are using the ball is on the box. So students, do you know about these words, on and in? These are prepositions, or you can say the position words. Like with these words, we have told about the position of ball. Students, the words in and on tell us where someone or something is. Let's take one more example. So students, I have a pen, and tell me, where is my pen? Yes, my pen is on the book. Students, when something is resting on a surface, then we use on. So see next. So now tell me, where is my pen? So now my pen is in the book. In the book. So we use in when something is inside an enclosed space with limits. We use in. So students, look at the pictures. Where is the cat? Yes, here we can see the cat is in the box. And here the cat is on the box. Yes. So students, these words in and on, these words are showing us that where is cat. It means these words tell us where someone or something is. Okay students, I think you understood very well. Thank you.